How to export a Replit app to GitHub. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can export your Replit app to GitHub. So let's get started. So first of all, you're going to head over to Replit and preview the application that you just made. So this is the application. So you're going to click on Tools and Files here at the top, and then you'll be able to see a search bar. Simply type in GitHub and press enter, and here you'll be able to see GitHub. So simply click on GitHub, and then you'll be able to see a gear icon here at the top right corner. So you're going to click on this gear icon and you will be redirected to settings. So over here in settings under the option of connections, you'll be able to see GitHub, and it's written disconnected because you have not linked a GitHub account yet. So you're going to click on sign in button right next to it, and now it's going to prompt you to connect to GitHub. So you're going to click on continue to GitHub, and then you're going to select your credentials, and then you're going to simply click on authorize Replit integration. So click on that, and after your connection has been successful, it says GitHub active. So now your GitHub connection has been activated. You're going to go back, and here it says no remote repositories configured. So you're going to simply click on this button that says create remote, and then it's going to say GitHub, and you're going to select the repository location. So I'm going to go with personal, and then you're going to type down the repository name. So I'm just going to let the name fit planner be. And this is the repository description, and you're going to select whether you want it to be private or public. So once selected, you're going to click on create repository on GitHub. Even if you go to your GitHub account, you will be able to see that repository created. When you click on the repository, you'll be able to see all of the changes getting applied. You're going to go back to Replit, and now it says that committing will automatically stage your changes, and it says push branch as origin main. So click on push branch as origin main and just wait for the branch to get pushed on your GitHub repository. Here you're going to click on confirm for this session and just wait for it to get pushed. Once done, you'll be able to see something like this that says last fetched just now. So if you create the changes, you'll be able to see the push button appear. So simply click on that and all of those changes will be applied. Even if you go back to your GitHub account, you can see that the Fit Planner has all of the files that Replit created for you. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.